guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a super glam purple makeup tutorial for you guys using the Maddie Ziegler The Imagination palette. So I actually already did a review of this palette as well as a full tutorial on my channel. So I'll have that video linked up here and also down below in the description box. But yeah, you guys, I pretty much really wanted to play with this palette again because it has such beautiful shades. So I created this look for you guys. So if you're interested in knowing how to achieve this look for yourself, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so the base is already done and my eyes are already primed. If you guys are interested in knowing what my base routine is, I'll have a video linked down below in the description box for you guys to check out. Just to save time in the video, I already went ahead and did it off camera so we can jump right into the eyes. So for eyes today, we're going to be using the Maddie Ziegler eyeshadow palette. I love this palette, the Imagination palette. Let me show you guys up close just how beautiful this palette is. There's just so many gorgeous colors and I really want to play with it. Especially this color, I feel like it's going to go really nicely with my hijab color. So to start, we're going to go ahead in with the shade Latte. And using a big fluffy brush, I'm going to start dusting this color onto my crease. So next I want to go ahead in and cut the crease. I'm just going to do like the first inner third of the lid, not like the entire eye. Maybe like the first 2/3 of the lid. And to do so, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and the brush that I love to use, you guys already know, is the Morphe M410 brush. So pretty much just take a little bit of concealer on my hand and grab some of this on the brush, and then I'm going to go ahead in and cut the crease. So that's pretty much what you want to do on both lids. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and do this eye off camera and then we will continue. Alright you guys, so I'm all done cutting the crease. Now we're going to go ahead in with the shade Godmom, which is this gorgeous shimmer shade right here. And using my Morphe M124 flat brush. And I'm taking this color and I'm applying it onto the entire lid. So pretty much the entire area where you applied concealer. You want to just go ahead in and pack this shimmer color onto the lid. Next, we're going to go ahead in with this gorgeous purple plum shade. And I'm just taking this color on my Nabella Noir blending brush. And I'm going to start applying this color onto the outer corners of my eyes. And because this is a dark shade, you really want to build it up. You don't want to go ahead in too strong with this shade. So pretty much I'm starting off by just blending the outer corner, and then we're going to try and shape out a really nice smoked out outer V to get that cat eye effect. So what I'm doing is I'm really packing it on the outer corner, and then I'll work on really blending out the edges in a bit. But right now, just really place that color on there. So I'm just grabbing a clean blending brush. This is my Morphe E17, and I'm going to start really blending out the edges of this purple shade that we just applied. And of course you can always go back in when you feel like you need it with the purple and then blend it out. I'm just going ahead in with the shade ASAP, which is this nice brown shimmery color. And I'm using my Morphe M506 blending brush. And I'm going to take this color and just apply it in the area where these two shades meet, just to kind of add like a transitional area. I'm just going back in with the shade Latte, which is the first crease shade that we applied. And I'm going to go back in and really define the crease and blend it into the purple shade as well. Alright you guys, so I want to take a break from the eyes and I want to work on the face a little bit, and then we'll go back in and fix up the eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and conceal the face, and to do so I'm going ahead in with the Radiant Creamy Concealer by NARS, and I use the shade Custard. I'm just going to avoid the nose for now because I'm going to nose contour, so I'll go in with concealer then, so we'll just leave it for now. And to set everything in place, I'm going ahead in with the KKW Beauty setting powder in the shade 03. So while everything is baking and setting in place, I'm going to go ahead in and do my eyeliner. For eyeliner today, I'm using the KVD Vegan Beauty Tattoo Liner. Alright you guys, so eyeliner is all done. Now I'm going to go ahead in and just wipe away the translucent setting powder. It's all done setting on the face. Alright, so now I want to finish up with the eyes. I'm going to work on the lower lash line. So using a pencil brush, this is the Morphe M431. I'm just grabbing the shade Latte, which is the crease shade, and I'm going to smoke this out onto my entire lower lash line. Going in with the Morphe E35 small flat brush, I'm taking the purple shade called Go Home, and I'm applying this onto the outer corners of my lower lash line. Just to intensify the lower lash line a little bit more, I'm going ahead in with ASAP, which is the brown shimmer color that we applied like in the middle here. And I'm just going to smoke that right on top of the purple that we applied on the lower lash line. This is just going to add a little bit more intensity, a little more darkness to the lower lash line. Alright, so to wrap up the eyes, I'm going to quickly go off camera and put on some lashes and some mascara. So for lashes, I'm going to go ahead in with the Farah number 12. These are Faux Mink lashes by HUDA Beauty. And for mascara, I'll be going ahead in with the L'Oreal Telescopic. I'm also going to quickly do my brows off camera as well, and to do so, I'm just going in with the Benefit Brow in the shade 04. If you guys are interested in a detailed brow routine, I'll have a video linked down below where I go into details about how I like to do my brows, but just to save time, I'll quickly do it off camera. So I'm going to go ahead in and do those three things, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so eyes are done, brows are done. Now we're going to go ahead in and contour the face. To contour, I'm going in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I'm also going ahead in and contouring my nose using this bronzer. And this brush is a Sonia Kashuk brush. I'm going to take just a little bit of this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and I'm going to put it down the center of my nose, just a little bit, and just the sides as well. And going in with just a small beauty blender, I'm going to blend this all out. So that's pretty much it for contouring. Now I'm going to go ahead in with some blush. For blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Keep It Peachy. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this color kind of higher up in this area. And what this does is this really helps to slim out your face. So I'm just going to apply the blush over there. It really like lifts the face up. And for highlight, I'm going in with the Becca Champagne Pop Highlight. And the very last thing I have to do is my lips. So for lips, I'm going in with the NYX Professional Makeup Retractable Lip Liner in Sand Beige. And I'm just going ahead in and lining my lips. And for lipstick, I'm grabbing the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. So I'm actually going to go ahead in with London as well, just on top. Alright you guys, so I'm pretty much done with the makeup look. I just want to do some final touches. I think I want to take the purple shade Go Home and I want to kind of blend that into my crease. I feel like there's just like a harsh transition and I'm not really a fan of that. So I'm just going in with the purple. I'm going to really soften it out because I don't want it to be too harsh. And I'm just going to apply that onto the crease. It's really hard with the lashes on already, but I'm just trying to really add in the purple into the crease. And I'm just using the tiniest bit. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for the makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And of course, if you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys have suggestions on videos you would like to see from me, make sure to comment down below and let me know. And of course, all the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!